In today's video, we're going to be talking about ectopic pregnancy. But first thing first, let's meet the protagonist of this story, the uterus. Uterus is one of the most important female organs for reproduction. It is located in the pelvis, right between the bladder and the rectum. The body of the uterus also has two really important structures connected to it, which are the ovaries and the fallopian tubes. Every month, women in their reproductive years will release an egg from one of the ovaries, and with the help of the fimbriae, the egg is then moved into the fallopian tube, where fertilization usually occurs. In a normal pregnancy, after the fertilization occurs, the egg is now called a zygote. The zygote will start dividing the number of cells and travel along the fallopian tube in order to implant itself into the uterine wall. In an ectopic pregnancy, however, the zygote will implant somewhere other than the main cavity of the uterus, and the most common place that it occurs happens to be the fallopian tube. Ectopic pregnancy usually occurs as a result of hormonal imbalances or a damaged fallopian tubes. One could acquire a damage to the fallopian tube through sexually transmitted diseases. A good example would be gonorrhea. Gonorrhea can infect the tubes and cause scarring tissues that will later on prevent the zygote from traveling to the uterus. Now, a sad part is the fact that a fertilized egg cannot develop normally outside the uterus. Without treatments, a ruptured fallopian tube could lead to severe bleeding that could lead to death. In order to prevent such life-threatening complications, the ectopic tissue is usually removed by surgery or medication that will stop the cell growth. In terms of prevention, you cannot prevent an ectopic pregnancy from happening, but you can decrease the certain risk factors. For example, limiting the number of sexual partners and using protections will reduce the risk of having pelvic inflammatory diseases and therefore decrease the risk of the ectopic pregnancy. I hope this video helps you learn about an ectopic pregnancy. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.